Have you ever considered the significance of the number 584,230? Yes, you heard it right. We're not talking about any ordinary number here. This is the number 584,230, a number that holds a unique place in the world of numbers. Now you may be wondering what's so special about this number. Well, let me tell you, it's not just another random number, it's a number with peculiar characteristics that make it stand out. It's a number that, once you understand its properties, will leave you in awe of its mystique and charm. Let's start by saying that this number isn't just any ordinary number. The distinctiveness of 584,230 is not a product of chance. It's a number that has been carefully crafted by the universe, showcasing its hidden patterns and symmetries. Each digit, each placement in this number, has been meticulously chosen to create a numerical masterpiece. But what makes it so peculiar? Is it the way it looks? Is it the way it sounds? Or is it the way it behaves in mathematical equations? Well, the answer lies in all of these, and much more. This number is a marvel, not only in its physical attributes but also in its behavior. It's a number that can be dissected, studied, and admired for its unique properties. It's a number that, when looked at closely, reveals the beauty of mathematics. It's a number that stands as a testament to the intricate symphony of numbers that the universe orchestrates. It's a number that, once understood, can change the way you perceive the world of numbers. So, as we stand on the precipice of this numerical mystery, let's delve into the world of 584,230. Let's uncover the secrets that this number holds, the patterns it showcases, and the beauty it reveals. So, let us embark on this fascinating journey to unravel the mystery behind 584,230. Scene script. First, let's dissect 584,230. This number, like any other, has a distinct anatomy, a unique composition that sets it apart. It's made up of 6 individual digits, each carrying its own weight. Starting from the left, we have 5, 8, 4, 2, 3, and 0. Let's begin with the number 5. It's the first digit, the one that gives our number its stature in the hundreds of thousands. Without it, we'd be dealing with an entirely different magnitude. Next up is 8, a number that's twice as 4, and 4 times as 2. It's a number with a strong presence, representing the tens of thousands in our number. Then we have 4, a number that's even and a multiple of 2. It's right there in the middle, holding the place of the thousands. Following 4, we have 2, an even number that's also the smallest prime number. It takes the position of hundreds in our number. Coming up next is 3, an odd number and also a prime. It's the tens in our number, giving it an extra kick. And finally, we have 0. It may seem insignificant, but it's an integral part of our number, holding the unit's place and rounding off our number to a neat, even figure. Now let's talk about divisibility. Our number 584,230 is an even number divisible by 2, but that's not all. It's also divisible by 5 thanks to that 0 at the end. And if you do the math, you'll find it's divisible by other numbers too, like 3 and 10. And let's not forget its place in the sequence of natural numbers. It sits comfortably between 584229 and 584231, each number a single step away, showing the beauty of the continuous, infinite sequence of natural numbers. As you can see, even the simplest of numbers can have a complex anatomy. Now, did you know that 584230 also carries a magical element? Let's delve into the mystical world of numbers and explore the mathematical enchantment behind 584,230. This 6-digit number might seem ordinary at first glance, but it holds a fascinating secret. Let's break it down. The sum of its digits is 22. Now, 22 in itself is an intriguing number. It's a double digit that repeats itself, forming a pattern, much like the rhythm of the universe. But wait, there's more. If we take the product of the digits in 584230, we get a surprising 0. Why? Because any number multiplied by 0 results in 0. This reminds us of the principle of nullity, a core concept in algebra where the product of any number and 0 equals 0. It's a simple rule, yet it forms the foundation of many complex mathematical theories. Now let's delve a bit deeper and see what happens when we reverse the digits of 584230 to form 032485. The sum of these digits is also 22, and the product, once again, is 0. It's fascinating how reversing the digits doesn't change these properties. It's almost as if the number 584230 is a mathematical palindrome, a number that is the same forward and backward. And here's one more magical element. If we split the number in half, we get 584 and 230. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2. In fact, 584 divided by 2 equals 292, and 230 divided by 2 equals 115. These results may not seem significant at first, but they help reinforce the fundamental concept of divisibility and the importance of even numbers in mathematics. And there you have it. A seemingly ordinary number, 584230, is full of fascinating patterns and properties. It's a testament to the beauty and intricacy of numbers and how they are woven into the fabric of the universe. Indeed, the magic of numbers like 584230 never fails to amaze. But what makes 584,230 truly significant? You might be thinking, it's just a number, right? Well, not quite. You see, the number 584,230, or 584230 if you will, holds an intriguing amount of significance in multiple domains. For example, in the world of mathematics, it's not just any number, it's a Harshad number. Now, what's a Harshad number, you ask? It's a number that is divisible by the sum of its own digits. And not just that, 584230 is a Harshad number in base 10, which is what we use in our day-to-day life. But let's not confine ourselves to the decimal system. If we step into the realm of binary numbers, 584230 translates to 10001110101011111110. Quite fascinating, isn't it? And if we move to hexadecimal, a system often used in computing, it becomes 8EA5E. But the significance of 584230 extends beyond the field of mathematics and computing. It appears in nature too. You see, in the world of botany, it's estimated that there are around 584230 species of plants. Isn't that incredible? Moreover, in astronomy, it's the Julian day number for the date of July 16, 1925. Julian day number is a system used by astronomers to keep track of dates without worrying about months, years, leap years, or time zones. In the realm of arts, it's the Pantone color code for a specific shade of green. Yes, even in color coding, 584230 has its place. And let's not forget, in our digital world, it's also a Unicode character. In the Unicode standard, which is a system for the digital representation of text, 584230 represents a specific symbol. So you see, 584,230 is not just a number. It's a mathematical marvel, a botanical statistic, an astronomical marker, an artistic shade, and a digital symbol. So 584230 is not just a number, it carries a multitude of meanings and applications. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about 584,230. Our journey into this number started with a shroud of mystery. We discovered that it's not just a random figure, but a unique combination of digits with its own set of intriguing properties. In the anatomy of 584,230, we've seen how each digit contributes to its distinctive nature. The number 5 at the helm lends it a touch of balance and versatility. The 8 and 4, side by side, bestow upon it a sense of rigidity and order. 2, 3, and 0 in the tail add a dash of duality, creativity, and infinity. The magic of this number is truly awe-inspiring. It's a composite number with factors that are all prime numbers. It's one of those rare numbers that can be expressed as the sum of two squares. And let's not forget its unique place in the sequence of triangular numbers, making it a star in the realm of mathematics. Then, we moved on to the significance of 584,230. It's not just a number that mathematicians fawn over, but one that holds a special place in various scientific and technological fields. From the realms of cryptography to the world of astronomy, this number has left its mark. So what have we learned? 584,230 is a number like no other. It's a figure that encapsulates a world of mathematical wonders. It's a number that has a story to tell, a story that is as fascinating as it is complex. It's a number that challenges our understanding of what numbers can be and what they can do. And that, my friends, is the fascinating world of 584,230, a number that is far more than just a sequence of digits.